Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we are doing Block 10 of Fat Quarter Shop's 2025 Designer Mystery Block of the Month. Our star today is called Cloud 9, and our guest is Bridget Heitland. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I probably mispronounced it. These are the fabrics that we are going to use today. So let me get those ironed and cut up, and then we can get started. Okay, this block is going to be super simple. We're going to have 3 of these with these 2 fabrics. They are all half square triangles. We're going to have one set that's these 2, and 4 sets that are these. So let's get to the sewing machine. And when we're done, we will put on the setting for block 10 that we did in one of the set-in videos. And that will be linked in the description box below. So let's get started. Okay, what I've done is I made 2 marks. I used a 1/2 inch ruler, and I went from corner to corner and marked each side. You can also just draw a line from corner to corner and sew a 1/4 inch on each side, however you want to do it. I like to draw the lines. And I will just chain stitch all of these since they're all the same. Now I just need to cut in between, press them open, and then trim them, and then we can put the block together. Okay, the pieces are all pressed and trimmed, and you're going to make 2 units like this and 2 units like this. And you want to make sure that you don't do this, because a lot of times you have these 2 pieces kissing and they are not. So that's one thing to be careful of. These will go the same direction. These will go the same direction. And on this unit, you've got these 2 that have the flower, the light flowered fabric. They go in the middle. They will be in the center. The other ones just have the white background. So you want to be careful of those. So just pay attention to the orientation. You're going to sew these together, and then you're going to put this together. And you're going to do that on all 4. Then you will sew those 2 together, these 2 get together, and then put those rows together. So let me get that done, and I will be right back. Okay, I have this all put together, and yes, I made mistakes with the orientation and had to fix them. Also, I believe when I was showing you before how it went, I had this square backwards. I had the green here and the white here, and that is incorrect. So you do want the green, so it makes kind of like an envelope with the flowers on all 4 corners. So now we just need to get the setting on. Okay, I've got setting number 10. We are going to put the 2 short pieces on each side. And you want to make sure that these white pieces are towards the outside. Then I will sew the tops and the bottoms on. And again, the white goes towards the outside. So I'll just sew here, press it open, sew along here, and we will be done. And I will be back in a moment. Okay, there we have it. The Cloud 9 Block 10 completely finished. We have 2 more blocks, one for April and May. So in May, hopefully we will get it all put together and finished. And then we will be done with the mystery quilt. I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.